Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video and share this video to your friends who all are interested in CPA marketing. Today, I'm going to show you about a awesome trick which will be your turning point in your CPA marketing journey. This is actually a massive trick. Today, this 20 minutes going to be your life-changing moment in CPA marketing. 100% I'll bet you guys. I'm going to teach you A to Z this trick in this CPA marketing. Please don't skip this video. Watch fully. Definitely this is going to be your life-changing moment in CPA marketing. Okay guys, without wasting time, let's move on to the video. As you already know, you have to pick your CPA link and you have to create a landing page about a niche. For example, today we are going to see in pet niche. You can apply any niche, any content. For example, I'm going to teach you in pet niche. Okay, after picking your CPA link, any CPA link, you have to create a landing page regarding pet content. Okay, about pets you have to create a content. That content should be in the landing page. Okay, this big step number 1 is over and the step number 2 is over. Then third, open Quora. Okay, today we are going to see Quora trick. Okay, so first open the Quora. So this is Quora account. Okay, this is how the Quora account will be. After successfully signing up to Quora, this is how the Quora website looks like. Okay, then apply this magic. I'll explain you what is this magic. This is an absolutely biggest magic that nobody taught you in YouTube. I'll 100% bet you guys nobody have taught you this trick in this YouTube. Okay, let's see what is that. After creating successfully a landing page, you have to answer some questions. Okay, why this Quora website means many people will ask their doubts regarding their content in this Quora website. All the people who are active in this internet will ask the questions in Quora. So Quora is the biggest question and answer session website. Let me explain you. For an example, some people will ask questions about their pet in this Quora. Now you are going to answer them and you have to paste your CPA link after the answer. Okay, first you have to choose a question, then you have to answer the question regarding that question, then you have to paste the CPA link in the bottom. So automatically the client will see, oh, this person has been answered to my question. So let me see what he has in this link. He will click the link and definitely he will submit the leads. This is step number 1 magic. Step number 2 is an awesome trick. This is one of my favorite trick in Quora. Okay, let me tell you what is that. Powerful questions will leads you thousands of dollars weekly. If you have a powerful question which everybody asks in the internet, definitely you can earn more than $1,000, $2,000 per month. It's easy, man. I'll explain you how. Okay, how to get that powerful questions. You will get a question now. For that, you have to click on your profile, click on Ads Manager. Don't worry guys, you don't want to spend a single dollar in this ads. Okay, you don't want to spend any single dollar in this ads. Okay, just click on Ads Manager, click on New Campaign, click on Traffic, just click like $10, click on Continue. Don't worry guys, you don't want to spend any single dollars in this area. Okay, then you should click on Questions. After clicking questions, click on bulk ad, then search for pet. Your niche is pet, so click on pet, click on continue. See, See this magic. These are all the questions which weekly people are asking. What do you hate most? Okay, this question is searched by 3000 to 4000 weekly. Okay, this question is raised 3000 to 4000 people per week. See the second question. How do you feel about people treating their pet like it's their child? Okay, see, per week 2500 to 3500 people are searching this question. So if you pick this question and if you answer for the question means, you will get a massive profit in the CPA marketing. I'll bet you guys, definitely you can see this. Then you will get a question now. How can I answer that question? Because I don't know what is the answer for that question. No worries. Okay, just let me pick this question. Okay, click on copy. Okay, then just go and search in Google. Okay, for example, let me use this first website. Just copy this answer. Okay, for an example, okay, this might be the answer. Okay, for an example, this is your answer. Okay, sorry guys, little bit internet issue. For an example, this is your answer. Okay, this is when just copy this answer and click on, go to the website called as Quillbot. This is a rewriting tool. Okay, this answer will automatically get rewritten. Okay, so just paste the answers here. Just place the answers here and click on paraphrase. See, you will get a same answer with which it will look like your own answer. Just copy that answer, go to the Quora. Okay, just click on Quora, click on add question. Okay, just copy that question which we have taken from that Quora. Okay, just click on add question. Okay, add question, or you can create a post also. Okay, just paste the question and copy this answer, then paste that answer here, and you should give a key like here. Click here for more information. Click here for more information. Then for an example, this is your CPA link means, which means your landing page link means, just paste the landing page link here, then click on post. Simple. You have applied the magic. Then automatically, if some people searching that question in Quora means, they will see your answer and they will click the link, then automatically they will submit their personal information in your CPA tasks. How good trick this is. This is a massive trick in YouTube. Okay, nobody have taught you in this trick in YouTube. Okay, this is awesome trick in Quora. Please use this trick and starting thousands of dollars per week. Okay, this is absolutely a good trick. Please don't skip it. Okay, and another thing is, you can upload more questions also. Okay, per day you have to pick 10 questions and answer the 10 questions. Please post the 10 questions also. Per day you have to pick 10 questions and just post that 10 questions also. Okay, this is an easy trick. Okay, anyone can use this, but nobody have seen this trick in anywhere. But I have got this trick from my friend, and we have started earning the thousands of dollars per week by this Quora. Okay, so please utilize this, guys. And as I earlier said, if you want to meet me personally, and if you want to work with me personally, means please subscribe my channel, and I'll give my Instagram and Telegram link in the description. If you have any doubts, please ask me personally in Instagram. And if you would like to join in my personal training also, you can join with me. Okay, it's easy, we work together, we earn together. Okay, so please share this video to your friends, and take care of yourself. Okay, bye bye.